Welcome to Mind and Body Health, your trusted source for comprehensive health education and alternative solutions to health problems that often go unspoken. We cover a wide range of topics, including women's health, men's health, mental health, reproductive health, and more. Our goal is to provide valuable insights into health conditions and offer natural and alternative medicine options to help you lead a healthier life. Subscribe now to stay informed and take control of your health with proven and practical advice. Without further ado, let's get into today's topic. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're exploring a vital topic for many men, erectile dysfunction, ED. We'll discuss how Viagra works, the best ways to use it, potential side effects, and some effective natural alternatives. Stay tuned to learn how you can manage erectile dysfunction and enhance your performance naturally. Erectile dysfunction is the inability to achieve or maintain an erection sufficient for sexual activity. This condition can stem from various causes, including physical health problems, psychological issues, or medication side effects. Understanding the root cause of your ED is essential for effective treatment. Viagra, or Sildenafil, helps men with ED by enhancing blood flow to the penis, allowing for an erection when sexually aroused. It's crucial to understand that Viagra doesn't increase sexual desire but aids in maintaining an erection in response to sexual stimulation. For the best results, take Viagra about 30 to 60 minutes before sexual activity. Its effects last up to 4 hours. Avoid taking it with a high-fat meal, as this can delay its absorption and effectiveness. For quicker results, take it on an empty stomach or after a light meal. Viagra is available in doses of 25 mg, 50 mg, and 100 mg. Your healthcare provider will determine the right dosage based on your health status and response to the medication. Never exceed 1 dose per 24 hours, and avoid alcohol as it can diminish Viagra's effectiveness. Common side effects include headaches, flushing, indigestion, and nasal congestion. Serious but rare side effects include sudden vision or hearing loss and prolonged erections lasting more than 4 hours, priapism, which require immediate medical attention. Always consult your healthcare provider if you experience any adverse effects. To enhance Viagra's effectiveness, adopt a healthy lifestyle. Maintain a balanced diet, exercise regularly, reduce stress, and avoid smoking. Psychological factors like anxiety and stress can also affect erectile dysfunction, so consider therapy or counseling if necessary. If you suspect you have erectile dysfunction, it's important to consult a healthcare provider. They can diagnose the underlying cause and recommend the best treatment plan, including whether Viagra is appropriate for you. Open communication with your provider is key to finding the most effective treatment. For those seeking natural alternatives, several fruits and plants can help improve erectile dysfunction symptoms. Number 1 is watermelon. It contains citrulline, which improves blood flow. Eat fresh or blended into juice. Number 2 is pomegranate. Rich in antioxidants that enhance blood circulation. Drink pomegranate juice daily. Number 3 is bananas. High in potassium, which supports heart health and blood flow. Include bananas in your daily diet. Number 4 is berries. Strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are packed with flavonoids that improve blood circulation. Add them to smoothies or salads. Number 5 is spinach. High in magnesium, which boosts testosterone levels. Eat spinach in salads or smoothies. Number 6 is ginseng. Known for improving sexual function. Take as a supplement or drink ginseng tea. Number 7 is ginger. It enhances blood flow and heart health. Add to meals or drink ginger tea. Number 8 is garlic. It improves blood circulation. Add garlic to your cooking or take garlic supplements. Number 9 is almonds. Rich in zinc, which can enhance libido. Snack on a handful daily. Number 10 is avocado. High in vitamin E and healthy fats, which support blood flow. Include it in your diet regularly. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has provided valuable insights into managing erectile dysfunction with Viagra and natural remedies. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more health tips and information. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, leave them in the comments below. Stay healthy and see you next time.